Okay, great. Now that you've rewritten this, you've removed the legal jargon. What is another thing that we start to see that's in these long, complicated legal sentences that lawyers are writing, but that we can remove? What can we remove? Phrases generally. Phrases generally in the present case, in the case at hand, in the case at bar. What does that really say? We can use simple words, short phrases, and even sometimes completely remove the phrase in order to come to a concise way of legal writing and make our clients happy, because they don't want to read all of our complex phrases and listen to the phrases that were of vital importance, but they actually weren't. This is our revision. Take a look at this revision and compare it with yours. What did we do? Well, one of the things we did is we replaced longer phrases with single words. Another thing we did is we looked at the key words and then changed those to a simpler word rather than using a more complex word. More complex words mean words basically that have more syllables. More syllables means it takes more effort to read. It takes longer to read. So therefore, the best legal writing trainers and coaches teach to use words with less syllables. For example, look at here. You can use, instead of in the case at hand, in the case at bar, in the instant case, and these other commonly used phrases in legal writing. Another one, you can use as, since, or because, instead of on the grounds that, for the reason that, taking into consideration the fact that, taking into consideration the fact that. That's 12 syllables. And we can just say because, which relates to the cause of the issue, and that is fact, or that is the grounds, or that is the reason. So now what we can think about is replacing phrases with one word or a shorter phrase or something simpler, and your readers will thank you for it. That's great job so far. We're going to go on to the next thing that people can cut from sentences to make it more accurate. Let's see you in the next video. Or I could say, take a look at this one now. And I continue with the video to where the person actually, like Netflix, gets the next activity already embedded, and that keeps them going, right? So that way you say, okay, well, now take a look at this one. This is the next thing we can cut. Go ahead and revise this sentence. Or go ahead and choose from the activity the 3 different phrases that can be cut. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to create this thing. So there will be 3 phrases that are in this, in the following activity, and you choose which one to cut. Then come back to the next video and we'll go over the answer.